guys, Fred here, VE3FAL, Ontario Northwest Bushcrafter and Outdoors. And it is Sunday, and we're going to take a walk up to Nob Hill here, out in Oliver Papoonge, Slate River Valley, on the backside of Candy Mountain. So we're going to snowshoe in. It was -3 earlier. It's probably close to 0 because things are melting pretty good right now. So we're just going to don our gear, and we're going to attempt to head up. So I'll catch up with you guys on the trail. There's the fat guy gearing up. That's what he just said. There's my snowshoes. We're going to gear up. We're going to head up over that way, and that hill up there, that's where we're going. Theoretically. Yeah, theoretically. We haven't got there yet. Oh, that breeze feels nice. I got stripes. Stripes upon my shoulders. I got chains. Chains around my feet. I got stripes. Stripes upon my shoulder. These chains are starting to drag me down. Alright, is this where we start our climb up? Up there. How you feeling? Fat, lazy, out of shape. Round is a shape.
Yeah, I'm in a new shape.
Yeah, new shape. Anyway, we're gonna start. It's 1:13 right now. Oh, we'll see how far we get, how fast we get. It's got to be 0 now, pretty close to 0 centigrade. So it is warm. Jackets are undone. Pit zips are undone, hats are off, so we are going to attempt to get up top there.
No guarantees.
No guarantees. Poles don't do any good anyway. They sink right down. Here's a quick look from up here.
It's funny how fast you get altitude.
Yeah, I almost degained there. Almost fell over backwards. Yeah, it's pretty amazing how you look over there.
Yeah.
And Candy Mountain is this way, right?
Yeah.
Over here. from here. There's the rope. When I fall backwards, brother,
I'll be here to
just catch me.
save my face.
Whew. You guys see that? Yeah. Yep. Oh, another look around. We're not quite at the top. Took the snowshoes off. Yeah. Climbed the rest of the way. Maybe not this far, eh? Looks like what? Oh yeah. Oh, they're probably up here watching. Yeah, he probably came here and watered the tree. Oh, hey.
How do those animals breathe through this, eh?
I know. You wonder how.
Yeah.
My glasses are fogged up.
Yeah.
Oh, it's beautiful. Wow. So majestic today. Well, now you know why the deer stay out of this. Yeah. So am I. Get to the top, you got that nice breeze. Take the jacket off. All right, we're at the top. Oh. And it is now 1:37. What time did we leave?
So 1, I think.
So,
maybe a little before 1.
yeah, probably like 12:57 or something.
Yeah.
So, not bad. Not a bad hike for 2 out of shape dudes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just turned 46.
Yeah, I just turned 54.
Do you believe it?
Oh. Yeah. Not even a bird. Yeah. Yeah. Deep snow. It is hard walking.
Good exercise.
Oh yeah.
We need to do that.
Yeah. All right, we made it to the top. We sat for a while. 2 ravens, that's about all we seen. And now we're gonna slide down.
Downhill for your muscles.
Yeah, I can envision a couple slides though. Yeah. Yeah, I can't remember. I got a feeling it went through there, but
I got it on my GPS. But I'd have to take it out of my pocket.
yeah.
If the snow just doesn't seem that deep, it's like
Yeah, that's got to be wolf tracks up here. Yeah. No, I almost did a toe dig. Pretty darn close. Yeah, you can feel the snow sticking to the shoes though. All right, so do the snowshoes keep you up? That's my knee. I just did a hook down. Oh, I'm not at the bottom. Nope, guarantee that. Now it's getting out. Oh,
Summer we got the bob.
Yeah. Oh yeah, sliding with the shoes even. At least you can dig the heels in.
Don't let your legs go underneath the log.
Oh yeah, I don't want that. That'd be trouble. That wouldn't be pretty, would it? That'd be a good breaker. Yeah, that was easier, eh? Oh no.
I did not get far.
No.
Yeah, this would be nearly impossible without
Yeah.
those ratcheting.
Yeah.
Still tighten as you're ratcheting.
Yeah. Dizzy spell.
It's just your body telling you you've done something wrong.
Yeah.
All the bears are sleeping.
Mm-hmm.
You know they're out there sleeping.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll guarantee it anywhere along there's going to be.
Oh, probably two up there.
Yeah.
Right in that area.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Dig in and
That's all they do.
they'd have a nice sleep this winter with all this snow, right?
Oh yeah.
You know, some of the winters where we get like just a little tiny bit of snow and then it rains, and you know, you gotta wonder how they live.
Yeah.
This, they're probably in there loving it, right?
Yeah, they just gotta wait for an opening and get out.
Yeah.
That was an almost.
My toes slid too far forward, my shoe didn't slip it. You know what I mean?
That was almost a blooper.
You guys had a good trip to Cuba, eh?
Very good trip.
That's awesome.
Needed, well needed.
Yeah. I guess the last time you guys went anywhere was Vegas. Is that right?
No, last time we went together, it's 5 years ago, we went to Cuba for my cousin's wedding. But Teresa's been there with her sisters.
I thought you went to Vegas.
No,
Oh.
she went by herself with her mom and them.
Oh.
Yeah.
Just a little bit farther, and it would have took us to that property line
Yeah.
where that trail went up.
All right, 221. Look at all the Christmas trees in here. I said, what are you doing on the ground there? I said, look at all the Christmas trees here. And then you decided to kiss the ground. Yeah. 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 Oh yeah?
Yeah. I was just waiting for the title to clear. You coming in for an adult beverage?
Oh yeah.
All right.